If you're delivering a complex B2B service and you want to stop firefighting and feel in control, then orchestration is probably where you want to start. It may be a term that you've never heard of before, but actually you might simply know it as workflow or business process management. Orchestration is about managing work from end to end across the organization, processes, and systems. And you can think of it just like an orchestra. For an orchestra to make a great sound, every player has to play their part at exactly the right time to deliver an amazing outcome. And orchestration is about delivering the right work to the right resource at the right time to deliver a great service for customers. Orchestration really shines when you're at scale delivering B2B services. If you've got hundreds or thousands of people involved in delivering consistent but sometimes variable services across lots of clients and lots of jurisdictions, you need orchestration to help you get control and manage that business more effectively. And it's not just about people, it's about systems too, integrating into the right systems at the right time to optimize performance of the service. There are many benefits to orchestration. It starts with visibility and control. And once you've got that control, then you can use it to improve the performance of the business. And you have a data set that comes from the orchestration that tells you where you will get benefit from applying automation and what ROI you should expect to get from that. All of that comes together to deliver great results to your clients. Once you've laid the groundwork with orchestration, then you can start deploying AI at scale, led by the roadmap that the orchestration product is telling you. And overall, this comes together to deliver a better controlled, better delivered, more automated, more effective, more competitive service. That's the benefit of orchestration. Come and check out Innate to find out more.